Hello everyone, you are watching Tech Hub, and today we are going to start with some of the basic commands of AutoCAD. Okay, so let's start with the basic command, that is Z, enter, and A, enter. So what we are doing is we are zooming in to the window. We have to do it in the very first step while we draw any drawing in the AutoCAD. So these are some of the basic commands that we are going to draw. Let's start with the line. So okay, just remember that whenever you draw any com uh, draw any figure or any command, you have to use first letter or first two letters and then press enter. Like we have to draw a line, so use L and then enter. No need to put mouse uh, in any specific area. You just have to press L and enter and then start making the line, and then you can either use space or enter to exit. And then if you want to again use that command, then use space or enter again. It will automatically select the recent command. Then let's come to circle, C enter, C enter or C space. Okay. And so while I'm moving the screen, I am doing it by pressing the scroll button. Okay, now drawing the rectangle REC. Arc, polygon, POL. So you can see that I am clicking on the screen, but polygon is not appearing. Why is it happening? It is because you can see the it is asking for the number of sides. So I have to enter the any numerical value. It can be 6. Now it is asking for inscribed circle or subscribed circle. So that we can discuss it in later. See, sides are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this was polygon, and you can zoom in or zoom out by the scroll key. Okay, so let me tell you about how to set any dimension that we have already drawn. Go to properties, then radius or diameter, whichever you want, then change it. I'm changing it to 50. See, it has changed. The my diameter is 100. Or you can do one more thing, that while making a circle, just enter values. You can see that in the drop down it is asking for specify radius of diameter or diameter, or radius of circle or diameter. So while I'm writing 15, it will consider it as radius. If I have to enter diameter, then I have to enter or directly click on this. So it will take my 50, if I write 100 as diameter. See, this is 100 diameter circle. You can compare it by looking in the circle. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share and comment. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. Thank you.